Well, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your new Samsung phone if you cannot log in or you forgot the password. So if you have the version with the 3 buttons on the side, no Bixby button, what you want to do is hold down the volume button down and the power button when you're logged in. So if you swipe up, you just want to bring open the power options and go to power off right here. Just completely power off your phone. So there should be an option, otherwise you have to hold down the volume button down and the power button for like 3 seconds, and the option to power off should open up. Now with your phone completely off, here is the key. We want to plug a USB cable into our PC and then our phone so it slow charges. So give it like 2 or 3 seconds to slow charge. You can see the symbol will pop up. Give it like maybe a few seconds after that, and then go to the power button, volume up, and power button. Volume up, power button now. Hold these down. When you see the Samsung logo, you can let go. And the key is having this plugged into your computer. If you do not have a computer nearby, you probably can't do this. I heard you can do this with like headphones too. So you could try a different USB device that may be powering your phone that's slow charging it. And then we can zoom in. We got all the different power options on here now. Just use the volume down key until we get to factory reset. Press the power button. And then we can just go to factory reset and completely wipe the data from our phone. So you can do that. And you won't need a password to do this. So just an extra step connecting this to your computer and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel down below.